Hello folks. So I'm here just well, there's the front of the resort by the street. I was just walking around the building for certain reasons. I came around the building from another side of the resort, from actually the resort that way. I was coming around and literally I didn't realize I was actually on the street. I thought I was still on the resort. Technically I kind of was, but I came all the way around and ended up over here on the front. Now since I'm here anyway, I mean, last year, so it's, I don't know, offhand, I think it's like September 6th or 5th. Anyway, it doesn't really matter the date, but it's like less than a week into me staying here. And last year I did a little video about this signage. Now I thought maybe last year the signage might have been damaged from maybe wind or rain or something else happened and it was damaged. So on the left side, when I showed the El Patriarca Varadero Valentin on the left now, so let me point to that direction. So the left side on roughly the L to the left of that was all gone. Now the reason why I'm saying it this year is I want to reiterate this. I think I was completely wrong. No, I don't think. I know I was wrong. It was just that they were replacing the sign and that's all they were doing, I believe. I do believe that's exactly what they were doing. They just had to wait for a sign to come in to replace that Valentin logo because it's under the Valentin name now, as of prior to last year. They were just replacing it. That's all. Simple as that. So I'm going to keep it at that. I just wanted to talk about that briefly because last year, like I said, I wasn't 100% sure. I did give what I thought was correct information, but it wasn't. Here, let me go back this way. I thought it was the correct information, but of course I was not sure. In fact, I think I did mention that in my video. It's been a long time, so I think I did say, I think it was this reason. But again, I wasn't 100% sure. So anyway, yeah. So in this video, I am going to tell you straight up, they were just replacing the signage with that section, with the logo for Valentin. And that's where I'm going to keep it at that. Thank you very much. We will talk to you in the next video, or we'll see you in the next video, one or the other. I got new glasses, and they are not staying on my face too much. Ciao for now.